I've been building this cabin for over a year now, and one of the most unique challenges has been the loft. The entire cabin is just 256 square feet, so every decision matters, every inch counts. I knew I needed a way to access the loft that was efficient, space-saving, and most importantly, safe for my kids and family. I looked at everything, traditional stairs, ladders, even custom-built options, but nothing really checked all the boxes. That's when I landed on a spiral staircase. It's one of the most efficient ways to move vertically in a small space, and it just fits the style of the cabin perfectly. After digging through a ton of options online, I kept coming back to one company, Salter Stairs. They're made in the USA, they've been doing this for a long time, and their reputation speaks for itself. Once I reached out for a quote, I connected with Mike from their team, and honestly, that's where everything started to click. He didn't just sell me a staircase, he helped me design the right one. We went through everything, floor-to-floor height, diameter, layout, spacing, and made sure it would fit the space exactly how I needed it to. Even down to the finishes. There are a lot of options, and having someone guide that process made a huge difference. Once everything was finalized, the staircase showed up at my house and I brought it to the cabin. Right away, I could tell the quality was there. Everything was packed incredibly well, protected, organized, and ready to go. And the instructions were clear, straightforward, built with DIY in mind. I had my buddy Steve come out to help, which definitely made things easier. Some of the pieces are large, and when you're working with something this nice, I don't want to mess it up. As we started putting it together, it became pretty obvious. This thing was built right, solid, well thought out, and honestly kind of satisfying to assemble. The trickiest part was getting the railing and balusters dialed in. That's what really determines how everything lines up and flows. But once we got that locked in from the top and worked our way down, the rest came together smoothly. And now, this cabin has a centerpiece, a custom spiral staircase with wood treads that completely transforms the space. It doesn't just function well, it looks incredible, like something straight out of a magazine. The quality is top-notch, the customization options were exactly what I needed, and the support from start to finish was outstanding. From the first conversation to the final install, the whole experience was smooth, simple, and honestly really satisfying. If you're working with a small space or just want something that stands out, I can't recommend Salter Stairs enough.